This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
My legs are sweating. I'm sweating from the place I didn't know I could sweat before. I don't understand. I'm holding my camera. Oh shit.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Anita Sadowska and I'm a swimmer photographer, and I show you how I do what I do on this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a rather adventurous photo shoot to the black sand beach that I did in Bali with my friend Irene Rudnick. She's also going to be posting her own behind the scenes, but this is mine so far.
I'm sweating balls.
And as you saw, a lot has happened. It was probably one of my most challenging photo shoots that I've done to date, but I really love the photos and I want to show you the behind the scenes, so let's get right into it.
Melting. Looks great. Just a few more standing against it and then beautiful. And look at me. Beautiful. It's okay. Lean against the thing with your back. No, lean against it. Yes, perfect. I wouldn't mind you being in the water. Are you okay with me wetting this? Yeah, so if you're like maybe somewhere here, laying down in the water, that'd be really cool. It's okay if you wet your hair, it's fine.
We started at around 4 p.m. knowing that the tide was coming up and it was going to be the highest around 8, so we knew that our time was pretty limited.
Oh shit. Are you okay? You good?
Styling wise, I really wanted to keep the contrast between the model and the background, so I went for these icy silvery tones. I brought this dress that was just this beautiful shade of metallic silver, and for the second look I actually twisted it around and made it into a skirt, and then put a shell bra and this shell piece that I got from a brand to braid with in Bali. And then for the third one I decided to leave the starfish bra on and then put this black cutout dress that I got also back home.
Just like that. Love. Oh yeah, that's amazing. It was really cool when you were on your back and you curved your back a little. That was really nice. Yes. And maybe your legs get a little bit together, and then one closer. Yes. The other way? The other way? Yes, perfect. Maybe don't spread your arms like this, have them maybe like this. What if one hand is over your head? Yes, love that. Careful, there's a big wave. Don't get swollen. Lean back and just kind of like, yes, ooh, love, yes. And close your eyes. Beautiful, yeah, I love that. Let's have you kind of sideways like where at the beginning. So you were kind of like, you know, sideways. Yes, perfect, just like that. Yes, beautiful. And look at me, yeah. And close your eyes, super dreamy. Beautiful. Just stay like that. And I'll just wait for a little bit of water. I am sweating. Let's try. Can you go a little bit deeper? I think it's fine. I think stop. This should be fine. Like that.
Bali gets extremely humid and shooting before sunset can be really challenging for that reason. It was so extremely bright and hot and we were sweating buckets. As you can see here in this photo, I was not having a great time.
I have sweat in my eyeballs.
Sweat in your where?
Eyeballs.
Sweat in the eyeballs, let's see.
My legs are sweating. I'm sweating from the place I didn't know I could sweat before. Maybe lean against the rock with your head. Yes. Ooh, that's nice. I love that. And close your eyes. Beautiful. Okay, and now lean with your head. You don't have to be leaning us. Just lean with your head against the rock.
I never truly realized how difficult it is to be creative when you're under conditions like this until I went to Bali again. Being under this extreme heat and humidity for hours on end can really take a toll on you. This was actually our second photo shoot of the day, so we were already kind of tired and the heat really KO'd us. All the water, all the sweating, all the humidity. It was really a killer, and trying to be creative and coming up with cool ideas, good poses, it is a real challenge. So whenever you're shooting in conditions like this, just please be kind to yourself and make sure to prepare ahead as much as possible. Maybe have like a, you know, an idea board of what you want to achieve, because it's going to be way harder to think about it on the spot when you're facing these conditions. Waves were coming up pretty fast and the tide was getting higher and higher, so we opted for just having everything on our backs. So we ended up carrying our backpacks, and I have to say changing cameras was a massive pain for me because my backpack doesn't really open very well. It's not a proper camera bag, it's like a bag inside a bag. So I ended up just holding both of my cameras at the same time. I came up with this cute contraption of what you can see here.
What are you doing?
Holding my camera. I'm holding. What's the problem? I don't understand. I'm holding my camera.
Oh my god, I cannot.
What if you're towards the wall and you're like this? And I just need to fix these little, because they're like...
I know you guys are going to be screaming at me, but it actually works for me, and I don't know, Celio, it just does. So that was another layer of spice to just make sure that I don't get hit with the water, that my gear doesn't fall, and it was just a mess.
Yes, beautiful. One, close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. I want to detail the starfish. Wait, I'll just take a picture of the starfish. 1, 2. That was 1, 2, and I was like, picture. You can pull it up a little bit now. Just the dress, yes. Perfect.
I wish that I didn't even take out the second camera, to be honest, because the film did not come out however way I wanted it to look. It was very dark and grainy, and it was definitely not the vibe.
And look into the ocean. Beautiful. And don't smile, be a bit more serious, sexy. Beautiful. This is very hard to do with 2 cameras in my hands. I'm going to the waves with you. Oh, yes, beautiful.
At this point we were getting a nice, very soft, cloudy sunset, so I used that to my advantage and I got my model to stand by the water. It created a really nice mirrored hazy effect in the background that I really enjoyed, and it created really beautiful backlight on her as well.
Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. There's the move. This is a pose. Oh, do you know what? Can you undo your little... There's the ties on the side. The top ties. They're like tangled. Level fisting. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes. Oh, that's so stunning. Stay like that. Oh, that's beautiful. You like that? Have the other hand a little bit more up as well. Stay like that. Beautiful. It's a big one. You good? Let's get you sideways in the water here. Come out further. You're going. Yes, just like, yeah, maybe around here. Sideways. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yes. Look at me. Yes. And then I'll take one on this. God damn, it's difficult. Difficult, lemon, difficult. Beautiful. Lean down. Down. Perfect. Just like that. Cool. 2 strings are on your neck. Can you take them out? Careful. Oh, okay. Look at me. Can I get your front instead of your back? Oh. Can you fix the shell so it doesn't stick out halfway? Love. That's so beautiful. Stay like that. 2/50th. 2.8. 1, 2, 3. I have to say that my favorite look was probably the last one, the black dress with the bra, because I felt like even though it wasn't as contrasty, it was actually blending really nicely with the background, and overall that was my favorite look. What if your hands are above your head? Both? Let's get you down, maybe this way. Careful. Oh, or shit. Oh, you're good? You just have a piece of hair here. Oh my god. Yes. And maybe the other hand in front. You don't have to lay down. No, you can still be up, but just the other hand in front. Remember how we did the shot where you were on your back and this? Could we do it again? Careful, get up, get up, get up. You're good? Careful. Hold on, it's gonna hit you. Yeah, you're good. That was a strong one. Yes, perfect. Ooh, close your eyes. Yes. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. That's beautiful. Yes, look at me. Ooh, yes. Oh my god, that's love. Love this shit. Look at me. Careful. Oh, look, beautiful. You do it. Yes, just like that. Both hands above your head. Yes. Ooh. And look at me. Oh, yep. Oh. Oh God. Okay. Okay. That's enough. We're not gonna. Are you okay? Film with flash. You don't have to be sitting.
It started fading pretty fast, so I ended up bringing up my flash and taking some pictures with it as well. It was a bit of a struggle with everything going on and the water coming up, and we knew that we had very limited time, but I just wanted a few photos.
Beautiful. I just want one picture here. Let's wait for these people. Oh, okay, you're good. Beautiful. What if you sit back now with just your hands? Yes. With your hands, don't point them back, point them forward. And close your eyes, super dreamy, yes. All careful. Close your eyes.
That might be a big one.
Beautiful. Just see. Oh, I'll put the flash on. Oh God. Okay, let's get up for a few, and then we'll take a few with the flash. Just stand there. Yes. Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful. Here, close your eyes. Yeah. Yes. And flash. It's time to have a word from our sponsor. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Squarespace offers intuitive tools to build websites as unique as your art. One of the features that I'm absolutely thrilled about is the Fluid Engine. With its next generation website design system, unlocking unbreakable creativity has never been easier. Starting with a best-in-class template, you can customize every design detail effortlessly using the reimagined drag and drop technology. It's seamless on both desktop and mobile, allowing you to stretch your imagination online. For someone like me who values a unique, visually stunning website, Fluid Engine is a game changer. And photographers, listen up. Squarespace isn't just about beautiful websites. It's also a powerful tool for selling your photography. With the online store features, whether it's physical prints or digital downloads, Squarespace provides everything you need to start selling online. It's like having your own photography store at your fingertips. Now, here's something that sets Squarespace apart: appointments. Accept booking for its private sessions, workshops, or group classes directly on your website. Manage your schedule, accept secure payments, and even send automatic reminders. It's a lifesaver for us photographers who wear multiple hats. And speaking of showcasing your work, Portfolios and Galleries feature is a dream for photographers. Professional designs, customizable galleries, and the option to add password-protected pages. It's the perfect platform to present our visual stories to the world. But wait, there's more. Monetize your creativity with member areas. Sell exclusive access to sections of your website, turning your passion into a source of income. It's like having your own VIP section for your most dedicated followers. Now, I know you're eager to get started. Head to squarespace.com/Anita for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, you'll receive 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. So, fellow photographers, make your online presence as stunning as your photography. I will see you on Squarespace. Look at that. So beautiful. Looks great. Oh, beautiful. Just want to wait for this wave. Look to the side. Yes. Let's get you kneeling in the sand, but let's get you like here. Somewhere here, and kneel towards me. Yes, just right here and kneel just like this. Yeah, just towards me. Yes, perfect. I just love that. Beautiful. Stay like that. And what if you push your hips? Yes, a little bit. Yes, beautiful. Love that. Me. Take this out. And as we were taking it, as you will see now, a huge wave came and it took a bunch of our stuff. Oh shit. Grab your shoes. Oh, grab.
Oh, get it out right now.
Where are our shoes?
I put them at the very back. Oh. So maybe they're still there, maybe not.
Same. Do you want to check? Wait, I'll check. I don't see them. I don't see them. God damn it. Where are mine?
Just us covered in fucking sand.
It is what it is, but it was kind of a hard stop to our shoot. We were done after that. We came back covered in sand. I was shoeless, sweating buckets. I ended up jumping into our pool back at the hotel straight in my clothes because I was so done with everything. So that was my wrap for the shoot. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know which of the photos were your favorite and how did you like the photo shoot. And let me know if you've ever had similar experiences like this. I have to say that even though I love the pictures, I think this was one of the most challenging shoots of my career because of the conditions. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!